your face.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel.
Find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate. Go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Bye, Sonia. Welcome to vlogmas day 19 fam. I don't even know that I can actually keep up with this vlogmas, but I'm so thanking God because gradually we are pushing and we keep uploading every day. Anyways, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this beautiful vlog started with me making corn flour, because in this video I am going to be making sure that my Igbo husband ate varieties of food. Okay, so this is me making this corn flour, and I didn't even repackage the face very well, but you guys should just manage me like that, okay? And after everything, you guys are going to be seeing the next thing that I am going to do. But yes, let's talk about vlogmas. How many of you are doing vlogmas? Let me know in the comment section. What have been your challenges? Do you think the vlogmas is worth it or it is not worth it? Also let me know in the comment section. And how do you plan in uploading your own videos every day? Because honestly, for me, I am actually not finding it funny, especially when network is trying to mess your head up. But to God be the glory, great things He has done. From day one till now, we have been pushing, and yeah, we'll continue to push. How is this egusi soup giving? Can you see the face of the soup? Can you see the face of the soup? Anyways, today is a beautiful Tuesday morning. You guys know that today is 19th, and this video will actually be going up that same day because we're going to actually package our vlogmas stuff. So after every this is me coming back to like wash my plate. You know how I love keeping my space nice and clean, okay? And I have a whole lot of persons commenting in my comment section saying that oh you use Igbo people too much, you brag about Igbo husbands too much, you do Igbo this thing too much. You guys don't know why I am doing that. See, there's a lot to YouTube than you will definitely understand, okay? In a sit down video, I'm going to be doing a detailed explanation, because one thing that is working for you just need to continue. So my husband came back with this beautiful gift from the office. I think I showed it in one of my video, and this is me just practically unboxing it. I actually wanted to do it small, but I just said no, let me just do this unboxing sharp so that it's not waste you guys time. And after that, I moved straight to arranging my room. This is obviously the next day, guys. So making my bed and trying out this bed spray. You guys know this bed spray right from when I was single, and my duvet, I didn't dash them out. So this is me making this beautiful bed. And I fast forward myself to let me make beans today, okay? Beans and white rice, okay? And this is me practically just picking it. Like, you know, you need to make sure you select your beans so that you don't get to have stones, chaff, and every other stuff. Some persons do all of that before they package it, but me, I don't have that strength, okay? So when I buy it, I just keep. Anytime I want to cook, I pick that particular portion of what I want to cook, and I then sort it out. Let me know how you do your own. Do you sort it out the same way I do, or you just sort everything out once? When you went to fish, you just go there and fish. Kudos to you guys, okay? So my water is boiling already, and I'll be pouring my beans inside. You guys are going to be enjoying all the process of this video, because this video is a vlog that even me myself, I have never done it in my life, okay? So this is me practically showing you guys, pending when the beans is boiling. I said, okay, let me show you guys what I've done in the room. Sorry, I didn't carry you guys along, okay? So this is the bedroom, showing you how neat and how clean everywhere is. You guys know that the annoying part of this house is the wardrobe, and that's why I don't show wardrobes in my video. So this is my bags. Today I cleaned all of these bags so that because of those, most of them I've not been using them, so I have to clean them up so that they'll be updated. And this is the sitting room. This is how it's looking. I try as much as possible to make sure that everything is clean, especially for the fact that there is a lot of dust this harmattan season. Let me know how many times you clean your house now, because me, I do this every day now because of the dogs. Sometimes I don't even know when the dogs is, where they are coming from or stuff like that, because of the harmattan season. Although harmattan is not really that strong in Port Harcourt, but we still get to have dust everywhere. Okay, this is my 18th birthday picture. You guys already know me from day one, like a day one G of my fan already know that this picture, it is for me. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Everywhere is just so nice, and I have to move this mini oven from up to down because the thing almost fell off from this particular spot where I kept this other stuff, where I kept my blender now. So I have to move it down so that I don't end up losing it. I'll be so heartbroken. And I also did well to like arrange everything in my cupboard. And how are you guys seeing it? If at this point of this video you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. I beg you, in the name of God, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is me showing you my kitchen floor and every other stuff. My YouTube channel, it's Vibes Sonia, and I'm back again with another Vibes on your table. How you guys are doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So guys, today I want to make rice and beans. Yes, initially I wanted to do jollof, but I changed my mind. I want to do stew because I have potato, I have yam, so I can use the stew to, like, you know, using like one stone to kill two birds. So right now I'm boiling the beans already. I think I carried you guys along the first time, so I'll just make white rice and beans separately and then make stew separately. So but once I'm done with the rice and beans, then I'll go outside to go and get protein. Okay, yes, to go and get protein that I'll use for the stew. Anyways, long story cut short, if it's the first time I tune in, do a subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this video. And yes, just enjoy and stay hooked in this vlog, because December vlogmas is gonna be gonna be having us back to back. Okay?
I know you
so anyways,
told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
I wanted to actually wash this doll, but since I'm already going to the market, let me just use it. So let me put my gel.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Let's go with this first in our mouth. And then my perfume. But I don't think I need They smell nice, they're going out. Don't smell like your problem. Don't smell like a problem. Not believe you get problem. People problem plenty pass you. So I want to wear this by that earring.
Not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
This one now, wash them down.
This one is from here.
How much is this one?
This one is 2,000. They last my money.
I beg me bear my money, give me shiny. How much is shiny?
See this one here, 1,000.
I got vegetable. See, I'm not this type that always like them to like slice it for me, but today when I have to, because one, I'm tired, secondly, I'm very hungry, so I don't want anything to come and distract me. So this fish that you guys saw earlier, the two fish, is 2,000 naira. It was much better and cheaper for me because tomato as well. Tomato is 500 naira. So then I got plantain. Why I actually got this particular one is I don't want to eat it now. Yes, I'm buying it so that inferior for future, or I can just slice, like just cook the plantain like that, unripe cook plantain. So either two things are involved on this plantain. So I got this plantain as well for 500 naira. I need to prep them up now, cook now and eat now because I'm very hungry. I can't even lie. Okay. Why are you covering your face? You don't want anybody to see. Why did you want anybody to see? Hi, but oh yeah, say hi to them now.
Really?
Anyways, guys. That is. Don't smile. No squeeze your face again.
No, like this.
How is the food?
Delicious rice and beans like this with Saint leaf sauce.
So how is it?
Delicious?
You like it?
I love it.
This plenty beers. Anyways, guy, let me just be eating one spoon so that I know go be say will not touch the food at all. You understand? Not like me, I'm hungry, sha. Because I just finished eating. You guys should take the first bite. Take the first bite, okay? What man? That's good. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Let me enjoy my food. Just eating small. Bye. Bye, guys.